Hello friends, in this video we are creating one simple agent using Google ADK. So if you see here, I have created one root directory which is Google ADK tutorial. Okay, and inside that I have created another folder which is simple ADK agent. Okay, and inside I have three files. One is the init.py, .env file and agent.py. So init.py file contains we just import this agent, okay, into in that init.py file. Yeah, basically env file is the here main file. It's contain our Google API key, okay, uh, as well as if you have your project GCP project name, region. So all those details comes into the .env file, and in agent.py file we have the actual code. So initially, what we need to do, we need to install some dependencies which are like I will show you here. Okay. So here first you need to install pip install Google ADK. Okay, here you install this Google ADK. After that, you can import this agent from that Google ADK.agents. Also, there are Google ADK.tools. So here you can import different tools like Google Search, which is the built-in tool, and other dependency library. This basically we are loading our environment variable into our current file. Okay, and here is the actual code. So here what I am doing, I am creating the one city time zone dictionary type. Okay, and based on the specific city I want time. So here I created another function, okay, which take the city as input and to process this and return us the current time of that city. Okay, and here is our actual root agent. So as I mentioned, here we have this we have imported this agent from ADK. Okay, so this is agent. So it has the some parameters like name. Name should be the same as our directory agent directory. So here I have given the simple ADK agent. Here is the model. Okay, here I use the Gemini 2.0 Flash. You can use different one. Okay, uh, another parameter is the description, which is the description of our agent. Okay, here I am telling it till the current type in a specified city. Instruction is the main things here, which helps us to guide our ADK agent which step it should be followed. So here you should define the correct way. Like here I am mentioning that you are a helpful assistant that tells the current type in cities. Use the get current time function. Okay, uh, get current time tool for this purpose. Okay, and last parameter is the tools. Here I am passing custom tool which I have created here, get current time. Writing creating this custom tool. Okay, so now if I need to run this code, so what should I do? I just type here ADK web. So it's Google ADK automatically creates the UI for us. It's asking how I can help you. I will just pass Mumbai here. So I will check here that it's calling this get current time tool. Okay, so you can see here it's calling this get current time tool. So here we have the our main agent and it has the get current time tool.